Hello.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them, dawg. We gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I spit it with the cop. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I've been gone since.
Hola, mi mejor amigos. It's Nyra. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if it's your first time here. What's up? Today's look is going to be, you know, me just living my best life. That's really what this look is. Me with my pink hair, me with my yellow eyeshadow, me with my faux freckles. Because look, all y'all freckle girls, we want to be cute too, okay? That's why we do it. Y'all started the trend. We're just following, okay? Don't get mad at us. Get mad at your jeans. If you guys want to see how I did this look, that was really inspired by, you know, the warm weather and, you know, just bright colors being back in fashion, back in season. I'm so excited about spring and summer, and so I just had to have a little creative release today. Okay, you guys want to see how I did all of this? Just keep on watching, and don't be shocked when you see me without no makeup in 1 second. Okay, it's a drastic difference. Transformation Tuesday out here is drastic.
You and you, I'ma get the money, trigger get the loot. Pull up with that trick, I'm playing with brick and I'ma shoot. My weapon be an instrument, I blow you like a flute. The place we feelin', pull up broad day with the K9 shooting. Drop a nigga like a littering. We at the door like we the delivering. He got a plug. Nigga on the floor talking to the athlete. Mine so close to the guy that I can steal the stash sheet.
901 Shelby Drive, look alive, look alive.
I go right to the orange and the yellow.
Be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told him never put that shit behind us, but I
They say, lil' number, where you been at? I'm just passing the bricks. I've been running up a check, that's why these bitches on me. I've been coolin' laying low, but I'm not taking the seat. But just know a nigga back, and this time I won't leave. I've been running, gotta check me your back. I got hundreds.
The lashes kind of covered a lot of the yellow, so I'm gonna really bring the yellow into the crease.
With 5 on my ass, but I'm that nigga, I won't ever change. Rubbing off the pain, smoking dang. Got a Uzi in my lap, I let it bang. Free Latte, no he keep a K, but he not take care of the chop and let it blow. And watch this bitch, he this beast, I'm that nigga. And all my young niggas pulling triggers, we gorillas. We let this bitch off until you feel us. For you niggas, that's always on IG with them yippies taking pictures. Is you really?
For foundation, I'm taking the Milani Conceal and Perfect. I've been, you know, bound to, ew, that looks like snot. I've been bouncing around with foundations, and I keep coming back to this one because it really just snatches me.
You try me, shoot you in your shorty. I'm cooking up in the lab like I'm Rick and Morty. 40 papa, hit a monster, turn your brain to pasta. Hit a opera, dread swinging just like I'm a roster. Smoking ganja and I'm zooted, walking in my Pradas. Any nigga touch my gangster, nigga, I'm a popper. And we ain't throwing hands with you fuck niggas. It's one of
I'm taking the other Girl Pro Conceal, same thing I used on my lids.
we shoot his body, then we lay him in that trunk. Nigga, 100, bitch, that's in my life. I won't ever fold a nigga speaking on Lil Quavo, and that nigga gotta go. I'm really small, but I can fight, but I'ma steal up that pole. For you niggas think I'm pussy, you gon' have to show me, ho. Police always at my fucking crib. I don't tell them shit, I'm really rapping about this fucking life that I'm fucking living, but I be coolin', tryna focus on them fucking dividends. But if it's money on your head, well, I'ma fucking
blush to help further contour my cheeks. You know, I put it all the way on my cheekbones, but right now I'm focusing it on the apples. Now I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade to create faux freckles. Actually, why can't I just use my brow wiz?
Diamond on my wrist ain't look like glue. Diamond on my wrist ain't look like glue. Walk in the club and I flex like ooh. Walk in the club and I flex like ooh. Mix marshall all over my shoe. Mix marshall all over my shoe. Pull up swerving in the coupe. Pull up swerving in the coupe. Pull up swerving in the coupe. Pull up swerving.
Obviously, they're not gonna look real. I'm gonna take my beauty blender to just soften them up.
Club and I flex like ooh. Mix marshall all over my.
They just work so good. Like, they're just so good. Okay, now for lips, I'm gonna take Minx by the I can't think. I'm gonna take Minx by NYX. It's one of their matte lipsticks.
Everybody know more next. Yeah, everybody know I flex.
I'm gonna take some random elf gloss. I don't even remember buying this. It's like it's been in my collection for a while. I don't feel like getting up to grab my glow kit, so I'm gonna take this shimmer shade right here.
Moving them bricks at the pound like ooh. Diamond on my wrist ain't look like glue. Diamond on my wrist ain't look like glue. Walk in the club and I flex like ooh. Walk in the club and I flex like ooh. Mix marshall all over my shoe. Mix marshall all over my shoe. Pull up swerving in the coupe.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this look, give me a like and a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let me know what else you want to see from me, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this and more videos not like this, because I am diverse, honey. Very diverse. Okay, might switch it up. Don't forget to head on over to Instagram and follow me. I love connecting with people. I love talking to y'all. Y'all actually DM me a lot. Like, people watch my videos, always DM me, and I love it. I always respond to y'all. Y'all so cute. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.